My name is Lajuan Jones. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, please remember to hit the notification bell when you subscribe. Spring is here, and today we will make a nice spring dessert, lemon cream pie. It's an easy recipe, which I'm sure you'll enjoy. Our ingredients for the lemon cream pie include 3 large egg yolks, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 2/3 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and an already pre-prepared graham cracker crust, which I baked in the stove for approximately 5 minutes. Please remember to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. The ingredients for the whipped topping include 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's separate the egg yolk from the white. These are cold eggs. Do it very carefully. I've poured our sweetened condensed milk, 2 cans, into a large mixing bowl. We won't need to use any extra sugar in this recipe because the milk is already sweetened. And to that, we will add the 3 yolks, which we separated from the whites, the fresh squeezed lemon juice. To make 2/3 cup of lemon juice, it takes about 4 to 5 lemons. Some people use concentrated, but fresh squeezed tastes so much better. And to that, we'll add just a pinch of salt. The salt usually enhances the sweetness. And we will mix this together. I mix it just a little bit with a mixing spoon. And then we'll beat it with our hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes. Doesn't that look nice and creamy? I actually beat this for about 4 minutes to give it that creamy look. Now, before we put it in the pan, you'll see that there are little air bubbles. So to get those, to pop those, just hit the bowl against the bottom, there we go, of the table for just 2 or 3 times. Get those air bubbles out so the pie will have a nice finished look. Now we're ready to put this into our graham cracker crust. We're ready to put the pie in our 350 degree oven, which we preheated, and we will bake it for 10 minutes. We'll combine the cream, powdered sugar, and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla together. And now, using our electric mixer, we will mix this until soft peaks form. I beat this on high on my mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you see it came out thick and luscious. After taking the pie out of the oven, let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Then lightly cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for anywhere from 2 hours to overnight. This pie I let refrigerate overnight. You may add the whipped topping to individual pieces of your pie or cover it over all of the pie. For this one, I'm going to cover our pie. I crumbled a few graham crackers together for our garnish. I put it on top of our pie along with the whipped topping. You can decorate it. You can be creative. I put a little lemon slice there. Because I had a little extra lemon filling, I put it in a little custard cup with a little of the crumbled graham crackers on top. This will be one of the best lemon pies you have ever tasted. What makes this lemon pie special is that it uses fresh squeezed lemons instead of lemon concentrate, and it's topped with homemade whipped topping. Yummy. If you'd rather not make your own pie and would like me to make it for you, please feel free to contact me at Lajuan0523@gmail.com. Thank you and have a blessed day.